It is spectacular. Hey guys. Oh, it's the goofiest channel of mine. Let me learn something again. And I'm gonna be unboxing monkeys in a crate. What? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be unboxing monkeys in a crate. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be unboxing my cards. Can you read that? I can't. Can you? Well, this is the first time I've ever seen his cards. Ready? Brand new cards, guys. See? Do you see that one? Do you see that one? Do you see that one? You see that one? Look at all the cards. I'm gonna have to clean up this mess. Okay, I just want to show you a couple cards. This is the queen. No, this is a jack. No, wait. It's the king. I forgot. Because it has K's. This is the queen. No, it isn't. It's a joker. I'm a joker. Oh. Wow. The camera keeps falling. Why does the camera keep falling? That's too silly. Right?